So now log in on the passport index for 2024, which is the website of the visa index. Now these are the countries which are having a good ranking. First is the Singapore, number 195 free visas are there. Ranks are there: Switzerland, Sweden and Netherlands. These are the rank 5, 190 countries they can visit freely. Czech Republic, Estonia, Greece, these are the things over there. Now come to the top ranked passports. Now this is your ultimate guide. Select your country, as we are going to select the country over there. This is the Pakistan, and then we will want to travel your destination. For example, we write over there uh, any Chile is there. So now check out over there. Now it will tell you the visa is required for the citizens of Pakistan to travel to the Chile. Now this is the total Chile related documentation, application form, and any requirements are over there. Now you can check over there. And for if you go for the Pakistan passport ranking, it is the visa free access. These are the countries known as the visa free. Then another category is there, visa on arrival is there, ETA is there. You can go to the ETA Kenya and Sri Lanka. They give the electronic TA visa online. These are the country list of the 48 destinations are there, and 148 destinations are there where you need to get the visa. Now these are the countries where you can go freely. You don't need any visa to visit over there, and this is the list of the countries where you need to apply for the on arrival visas over there. So many countries are there, and this is our Pakistan passport, and free countries are over there. Now let's visit over there. Another thing is there. Same wise for India, if we select the India, and then we will see what is their requirement over there. This is India, and we will select it. Now check for the any country you can write over there, no matter whether you want to go Iran, for example. We selected now Iran, and now we check either there is a requirement of the visa or not. For the Indian peoples to the Iran, no, visa is not required over there. You are eligible for the free entry into the Iran. Indians can go to the Iran without any visa. Now see the Indian passport, it's on 85th, and 57 countries are there you can visit. 27 countries you can visit free of the visa. You just buy your ticket and go over there. There isn't any need to purchase the visa over there. Then there is the visa on arrival, and ETA visa online services are there, and this is the visa required over there. So this is the detailed applications. This is the visa.index.com, and it will give you the total information.